Good morning to all students of class first year. Yesterday I taught you the light of Asia, and in light of Asia I told you that Siddhartha was the son of King Suddhodana, who was the ruler or the king of Kapilvastu. Because king's queen died after giving birth to the son, the king looked after the prince, so he loved very much to the prince and provided everything which could please him, and kept the servants young, healthy, so that the prince could not realize any kind of sorrow. He avoided every sorrowful scene from the prince. The prince lived happily. When he was young, about 19-year-old, the king got him married with the most beautiful girl named Yashodhara. Yashodhara and prince lived in the king's palace very happily. But the prince was sober by nature. He did not like luxuries, he did not like worldliness, and he liked to sit alone. He went to the forest often and thought very acutely, very seriously. He thought about the world, about the creatures. So the king was worried that he was his only representative. The king wanted him to make him crown prince, but it appeared as his dream would not survive. That's why he was worried. He provided the best dancers, the best singers to attract his mind so that he could be pleased and he may be fond of the royal life. But it was not so. One night, the king saw a dream. In his dream, he saw 7 visions. First vision was a flag. In his dream in the night, the king saw a big flag. It was religious flag pertaining to Hindu religion, and there was mark of Indra's. It fell down and the people picked up and took away to the east. The second vision, the king saw wheel. He saw a golden wheel. When the sun rays fell upon it, it shone like the gold, or it showed like the burning fire. The third scene, he saw drum. The king saw in his third vision in the dream that there was a big drum kept between the city and the hill, and the prince was beating it with the iron rod, and it sounded so loudly that its sound filled the atmosphere from earth to the sky. The sound of the drum could be listened everywhere, and the prince was beating it with the iron rod. The fourth is a tower. The fourth vision which the king saw was tower. Tower was very high. It touched to the sky, and the prince sat on the top of the tower, and from there he threw the diamonds, the rubies, the emeralds, etc. Various kinds of jewels, various kinds of stones, precious stones, gems. The people were picking up the gems thrown by the king from the top of the tower. And the fifth scene was a car. There was a car. The king was sitting in the front seat of the car. The 4 horses, white horses, were driving the car, and the car was going. Car means, you may say, that is called Rath. That was Rath, but here it has been chariot. Rath is called chariot, but here car word has been used by the poet, when it is original word of the poet car. Though there should be chariot, means Rath. So in the chariot or car, the prince was sitting, and the 4 white horses were driving the car. The people were running after the car, pursuing the king, following the prince. 7th is 6th vision. The king Shah was 6 men. He saw in the vision, in the dream, that there were 6 men. They were weeping loudly. They were striking their teeth and weeping. They went to the south side. The 7th vision, the king saw 10 elephants. In the 7th vision, the king saw there were huge 10 elephants, very large their body was. And the 10 elephants, when they moved, whole of the earth shook. The king, seeing these scenes or the visions, 7 visions, the king was afraid. He thought that any calamity or any bad event was about to happen in his palace. He collected many courtiers who could translate the dreams, but there was none who could translate the 7 visions seen by the king. Today it will be here, and question answer I am sending to you through the WhatsApp. Write down the question answer, start to do the work and learn it. Homework will be for learning the question of the Light of Asia that you are writing today. You have to learn it also. Thank you very much.